Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Anna. Today we are going to continue our housing unit. Today we are going to talk about house and apartment problems. House and apartment problems. As you can see in the picture here, this man and this woman have a problem with their house. Maybe something is broken. Something is not working correctly. And they say, help. Sometimes we need to call someone for help. It is important to know how to talk about the problems in our home so that we know how to call someone for help. So here are some common house and apartment problems. We are going to answer the question today, what's the problem? What's the problem? Let's go ahead and read each picture 2 times. Then we'll talk about some of the words a little bit more. All right, here we go. Number 1, there are mice. There are mice. Number 2, there are cockroaches. There are cockroaches. Like we would say, there are cockroaches in my apartment. Number 3, the smoke alarm isn't working. The smoke alarm isn't working. So this is called a smoke alarm. You should have one of these in the rooms in your home, in your apartment. They help us to know if there's smoke in our house, if there might be a fire in our house. They would start beeping, like beep, 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 if there's a problem with smoke in our house. So it's very important that your smoke alarm is working. Number 4, the paint is peeling. The paint is peeling. So the paint on the wall is coming off. You can pull it off. You need some new paint. Number 5, the faucet is dripping. The faucet is dripping. So this part of the sink is called the faucet, where the water comes out. And it keeps dripping, drip, drip, drip. So the faucet is dripping. Number 6, the sink is clogged. The sink is clogged. So it means that you have a problem with your sink. Like here's the water, all the dirty water from after you wash the dishes. It won't go down inside the sink. It just stays in the sink. So we say it's clogged. There's something wrong with the sink so that the water won't go down. Number 7, the carpet is stained. The carpet is stained. So maybe you spilled your coffee on the carpet and now there's a big brown spot on the carpet. It's called a stain. It needs washing and cleaning. Number 8, the electricity isn't working. The electricity isn't working. So you might have a problem with your lights. When you try to turn on the light, it's not working because the electricity is not working. Number 9, the window is broken. The window is broken. Number 10, the toilet isn't working. The toilet isn't working. Number 11, the ceiling is leaking. The ceiling is leaking. Remember, the ceiling is up above, and if it's leaking, it might be dripping water. It might mean that there's a problem in one of your pipes. Something is leaking water and it's coming down through the ceiling. Number 12, the hot water isn't working. The hot water isn't working. So maybe the water in your shower is really, really cold because the water heater is not working. Number 13, the heat isn't working. The heat isn't working. You're very, very cold because the heat in your house or apartment is not working. It has a problem. And number 14, the air conditioner isn't working. The air conditioner isn't working. Remember, the air conditioner is something that we use a lot in the summer when it's very hot outside. So if your air conditioner isn't working, then your house or apartment is really hot, very hot. So that can be a big problem and uncomfortable. So these are the names of some problems that you might have in your house or apartment. It's important to practice these words again so that you can call someone to come and fix the problem. So please continue to practice these at home. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great day.